Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2006 ECE paper and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. This is first 2-mark question, came in 2006. Look at the circuit. In the circuit shown below, the switch was connected to position 1 at t less than 0 and at t is equal to 0, the switch position changed to position 2. Assume that the diode has zero voltage drop and a storage time Ts. For 0 to Ts, voltage across resistor is given in volts. A minus 5 volts, B plus 5 volts, C 0 to 5 volts, D 5 to 0 volts. So in the circuit, for t less than 0, the diode P side is connected to plus 5 volts and at t is equal to 0, the diode position has changed to minus 5 volts and diode has 0 voltage drop and a storage time of Ts. And within the storage time Ts, after the switch has been changed to position 2, the voltage across resistor is, answer for this question is minus 5 volts. The correct answer is A. We'll see the details. Diode switching times. In AC applications, when diode is instantaneously switched from a conduction state to a non-conduction state, that is forward bias to reverse bias, it needs some time to return to non-conduction state. So it behaves short-circuited for a small time period even in reverse direction. So whenever a diode is coming from forward bias to reverse bias, to completely come to reverse bias it requires some time. The time required to return back to the state of non-conduction is called as reverse recovery time, which is the sum of storage time and transition time. Storage time is the time period for which diode remains in conduction state even in the reverse direction. Even the diode is reverse bias, but it will be in conduction state during storage time. Transition time is the time elapsed in returning back to state of non-conduction. So this was a circuit diagram given in the question, and at t less than 0, diode is connected to plus 5 volts. And this was the equivalent circuit. By that time current flows from P to N. Since the diode is forward bias, as plus 5 volts connected to the P side, and V0 is equal to plus 5 volts because the voltage drop across diode is 0. For 0 to Ts, the voltage applied to diode is minus 5 volts and diode is reverse biased. Now the current flows from N to P, but since it is in conduction state during storage time, so that now the current flows through this resistor is going to be calculated as 5 volts by 1 kilo ohm, and that is nothing but 5 milliamperes, and voltage drop across that resistor is nothing but minus 5 volts. Since during storage time the diode is in conduction state, by that time whenever it is in conduction state it acts as short circuit. Voltage drop across diode is 0, so total 5 volts has to drop across 1 kilo ohm. So V0 is equal to minus 5 volts in this case. And for t greater than Ts, I is gradually reduces to 0 and V0 becomes 0 because the diode comes into open circuit. By that time no current flows. No current flows is nothing but no voltage drop across that resistor. Under steady state, for t greater than Ts, current will be 0 and voltage drop across resistor is 0. But during storage time period, the diode, even though it is in reverse bias, it will be in conduction state, so it acts as short circuit. Because of that one, entire voltage will drop across 1 kilo ohm resistor, so the output voltage during storage time period is minus 5 volts. The correct answer for this one is A, minus 5 volts. Thank you.